People, guys, girls, puppies, everyone, kitties too. People will hate when I just say dogs and not cats. Inventables is having a contest to win an X-carve, and it's awesome. It's freaking rad, man.
Currently, I have a business that's business. And the business is business of the business. Where I business, and I business a lot, and then business some more.
I make custom foot orthotics. People need comfortable feet. Makes them feel good. Help me make people feel good. Help me help you help your feet feel good. Takes about an hour and a half to make one pair, where I use plaster of Paris. It's the old-fashioned way, and I've been doing it since 2006. With the 3D carving machine, my people tell me it's going to take roughly 25 to 30 minutes to make one pair. The X-carve will help me establish an online store, which I'll then be able to sell across the world. I send them a kit. They put their feet inside this kit. They send the kit back. And then, magic. Freaking magic. And then they get the inserts back to their house that they walk on, in their shoes, immediately. The X-carve would be amazing to have and be amazing for my family. It would help me to reach my full potential of being a small business entrepreneur in a field that not many people know about. To pull a wheezy weight on you guys, wheezy waiter. What you just saw was the old-fashioned way for making inserts. With the X-carve, it's going to be a totally different process.
Where I'll be able to make 3 pair in the time it takes me to make 1.
Thank you so much, Inventables, for this opportunity. Please hit the like button. Also, watch some other guys. Watch some of their stuff, and girls' stuff too. All right, thanks.